Having watched US equity markets for some period of time, there were a number of loss-making companies in US. And those loss-making companies kept going up. They kept going up. They kept going up. Suddenly, in the last 4 months, they just collapsed. But, they didn't. They kept going up. When did they go down? Suddenly. So like that, there is a situation where there has to be a price and time correction. But from what level? From what time point? Those are all very complicated questions. And it's very difficult to say when it will happen. There is no guarantee it needs to happen from 2022 February or it needs to happen from 2023 February. All we can say is that, the big thesis that we had in 2020, June, July, August, September, we were bearish and we went wrong. So in October 2020, we realized that where were we wrong? We were wrong because we were in a central bank bull market. And when we were in a central bank bull market, we were not fighting valuations or fundamentals. We realized we were fighting the global central banks. So then we called it a central bank bull market and told everyone, you're in a central bank bull market. So then what happened was, as an AMC, we launched new fund offers like ESG, Business Cycle, Flexi Cap, because we said we are in a central bank bull market. And what we feel is that the central bank bull market was over in November 2021.
Okay.
The day the Jerome Powell of the US Fed said, no, I'm no longer believing inflation is transitory. I'm going to do taper and I'm going to increase interest rate. The central bank bull market is over. Now, once you move out of central bank bull market, it means that you're going to have respect cash flows, you're going to respect valuations, etc. So, which means that you are in a period of volatility. That period of volatility does not mean, as some people think, markets will just keep going down. Definitely not. Period of volatility means that there'll be periods where markets go down, there'll be periods when market goes up. And the task of making money is not going to be as easy as it was between March 2020 and November 2021. The day the Fed chairman again comes and says, no, I'm going to start printing money in a big way, then the task of making money in equity markets in India will again become very, very easy. So I think now the task of making money in India will become much tougher. And that does not mean you're going to have one-way down markets. You're going to have down markets, you're going to have up markets, you're going to have down markets, you're going to have up markets. And it makes the task of making money much more interesting and tough.